Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have a trip coming up and I thought this would be a great opportunity to show you how I leverage my unboxed inventory to pack some beauty products for my trip. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let's get packing. Cheers! Now when I'm packing for a trip, I am looking for smaller travel sizes, which I get in a lot of these boxes, as well as some multitasker products, so I pack less. And the first step for me for packing is always having a great bag. And I love this one. This is the bag I pack all of my toiletries in. In fact, I can probably fit my entire family's, no matter how long of a trip it is. It has all these compartments, so I can separate wet things from dry things, shower. The inside is great. There's also a place to hold brushes in the front, if you can see. You can hold some brushes here, palettes, and at the end of the day you can kind of hang it up. So that's really convenient, and that's what I use for packing my products. And one of the great things about the way I organize this is it makes it really easy for me to kind of check the boxes to make sure I'm getting everything that I need for this trip. So I am going to start with night skincare. Because I'm skin cycling and I still will do that, I am going to be looking at 2 moisturizers. So here I have the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. This one would be great either on a recovery night, after maybe a day in the hot sun, or on either my exfoliating night or retinol night after about 20 minutes of the actives being on. Another one is the Pro Collagen Night Cream, and this one I probably would do on a recovery night. So those are going to be my night moisturizers. And then also looking for be a little tricky. I'm looking for a daytime face cream. So this is a nice face cream from Dr. Barbara Sturm. So this is going to be my day cream, and that's just going to be great to apply after my serums and after I've washed my face, but before I've put on any kind of sunscreen. I will once again stick with my vitamin C. This is also going to increase the efficacy of my SPF. And one of the great things about this is it doesn't leak. It's not travel size, but it's travel friendly. And that's because of the way you open it. So this will be coming with me. And I'll want to bring a Pro Collagen Renewal Serum. So this is going to be hydrating. You can use it morning and evening, and this is just going to be a nice serum for hydration. So those are going to be my serums. In terms of eye cream, I'm looking for at least one. This is a Pro Collagen Vitality Eye Cream from Elemis. It's a cute travel size. I probably won't use all of it, but at least it's nice because I can apply it mornings and evenings, and then again, I'm not having to pack a bunch of extra eye creams. Also, this Dynamic Resurfacing Skin Smoothing Essence will take the place of any kind of toner or essence I'll be bringing, so I would use this after my face wash, but before any kind of actives, any kind of serums. And because you never know if you're going to break out, it's always good to be ready. So I like to bring this Yonka SOS Spot Roll-On. This is an anti-acne treatment, and it's a cute little roll-on, so it's absolutely perfect for traveling. Face washes, super important. Here I'm grabbing a few, all in travel size. So first off, this Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash from Elemis. This can be used morning and night, and it's just a nice, really great creamy cleanser. For nights that my skin's really dirty or I'm wearing makeup, I'm going to bring this Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm from Elemis. This is great because it starts out as a solid, and then as you apply it to your face, it turns into kind of an oil. You add a little water, it becomes a little creamy, and it really just does a really nice job of taking off all of your makeup and at least being the first layer of your cleansing routine. And then I'm also just going to bring a gentle exfoliating cleanser, because if my skin is feeling super dehydrated or things are a little sensitive because of the sun, then I want something super gentle, and this is from New Lasted. Okay, in terms of skin, I think that's good. That's most of my focus. Next, I also want to have some hair stuff, so I'm going to go down here for my hair stuff. So what I like to do before going in the pool, before going to the beach, is wetting my hair with a leave-in conditioner to protect it. The nice thing about something like this, which even though it is a bigger size, I will use it before going into a pool or beach, but also I can use it when my hair is wet and I'm going to style it, because it's going to help with detangling, with frizz. It's also going to add shine, protect color, and it's a heat protectant. So lots of uses for this Saints and Sinners Velvet leave-in conditioner. So this will be coming with me. Also at night, I'll be applying a hair oil, or at least when my hair is dry. This honey infused hair oil from Gisou is the perfect size. It smells great, and I can apply it either wet or dry hair. So that will be coming with me. And a scalp treatment. Now, I've been doing scalp treatment to see if I can get a little bit more growth around here, and I don't want to give that up just because I'm going on a trip. So I will be bringing this New Lasted Vibrant Hair Scalp Treatment to keep up my routine even when I'm out. And in terms of makeup, I'm going to be using this Ulta MD Tinted. This is a broad spectrum SPF 46. This takes the place of any kind of foundation I would be wearing. I don't really wear foundation, so I like to wear that. And then if I want more of a polished look, I can either layer on a little bit more of that and then add a powder, or do something where I'm not kind of looking for the traditional foundation. I also recently fell in love with these Rodeo blush drops. These can be used, as I've noticed, on your eyes, on your face, anywhere, even a little bit in your collarbone. So these will be coming with me. It's a really pretty rose gold color, and because they're multi-purpose and it's in this container, it's the perfect thing for a nice summer trip. And then my brows need to be taken care of. So I'm going to be bringing this Anastasia Brow Genius Brow Serum to keep my brows in check while we're on this trip, just to keep a kind of low maintenance in check. So in terms of skincare, I have everything I need. The only thing I'm missing are my actives, my retinol, and my AHAs, but I tend to have travel size versions of those in my personal inventory. And then hair care, I have everything I need. This lip tinted oil is just gorgeous, and because it's a stick, I'm not worried it's going to leak everywhere. This is from OG, and it's just beautiful. You can see how pretty that is, and sheer, and that's just great for a nice summertime look. So I'll be bringing that with me. I think that's good for hair and skin. I'm definitely focusing on sunscreen. So this Josie Maran Get Even Sun Milk has an SPF of 33. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen. It smells amazing from the Kakadu Superfruit blend. But what I love about this is, even though it's probably supposed to be for your face, I actually like to use it all over, and I prioritize my body with this. And it's a nice, travel size. And then for my face, I'm going to use this Journey Firm from Neocutis. This is a revitalizing and refining day cream. And what I like about this specific one, and why I focus on my face on this one, is because it also has certain ingredients in here to tighten and address visible signs of aging, in addition to providing antioxidant care and UVA, UVB protection. So I really like that. And then in terms of sunscreen, the only other thing that I don't have here is I like to have a clear stick so I can kind of reapply on the go over top of my makeup. And then I want to make sure I'm staying healthy. getting my greens. So I'll bring a few packets of this all-day green water from Positive Hotel. Good in, bad out. This is beauty from within. And this is going to just ensure antioxidants with the green tea powder, the calamansi, the peppermint, a little bit of de-bloating if I'm going to be in a bathing suit. That's something I want. And because I want to keep my immune system up, I will also be bringing a few packets of this lipospheric vitamin C. It is really interesting because it is a gel that does not dissolve in water. So you actually squeeze it into water and then you take it like a shot. And as long as you don't taste it, it's fine. But I do find that it does a much better job than the water-soluble vitamin C I had previously taken. So I will be bringing some of these packets. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I mean, I think that's a good base for me to kind of figure out what else I need to add. Like I said, I'm gonna wanna add a sunscreen stick, my retinol, my AHA, shampoo, conditioner. I like to bring my own, and I have different size sample packets that I'll be bringing, and probably a small dry shampoo, because even though I love this Living Proof dry shampoo right here, I don't want to bring this huge guy with me. So I'll be bringing that. Oh, and these guys. Sorry, I forgot to butt you guys. This is Elemis. This is the Frangipani Manoi body cream and shower cream. These guys will be coming with me. I know most places, you know, you can use whatever cream that they have there, but I like to bring my own. So this to me is a really good foundation, a really good way to kind of use the products from my inventory and get something out of the fact that I have a lot of travel size products. So hopefully you had a good time packing with me. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, any tips, any trips you're going on, and what else you would like to see me showcase. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my next video. Thank you. Bye.